Hi friends, happy Wednesday. So I just got off Zoom. Ayub, Alyssa, Mohammed, Zachariah, and myself were all talking on Zoom together, and we could hear each other and we could all see each other's faces, and it was so much fun. And I hope that when I do it again, more of you guys can join so we can have almost our whole class on Zoom. That would be so much fun. So let's see if we can try and do that the next time. But for today's lesson, I'm going to be posting a video, and it's all about time. So we see all the time, we see the clock in the corner of a computer or something like that, and it says the time for us, and we can read that super easy. But I want to talk about a clock, the big ones that have the two hands, the two black hands, and they move around, and there's a bunch of numbers all around the clock, and those clocks are a lot harder to read. So first things first, your long hand on the clock is going to be your minute hand. Minute is a very long word, so minute is your long hand. Now your short hand on your clock is your hour hand. So I'm going to show you a picture. Let me pull it up really fast. And I want you to look and tell me which is the hour hand and which is the minute hand. Remember, our hour hand is short because hour is a shorter word, and our minute hand is long because our minute hand, the word minute is a long word. So let me pull up this. Hold on a second. I can't get the good picture. All right, here we go. Here's the clock right here. If you look, you can see the short one, that's our hour, and it's pointing to a number. And then over here, our long one, that's our minutes. So we're going to be talking all about that for the next couple of days and how we can read it. So that's all I want you to know today. Long hand, minute, short hand, hour. All right. So I'm going to post a video that I want you to watch. Second, remember when we just got done measuring right before we had to leave school? We measured things with blocks. You measured some things with your shoes. We measured things with lots of stuff. So what I want you to do is I want you to get a piece of paper, and you're going to measure your house, but with your shoe. All right. So you need to go around, and I want you to measure 5 things with your shoe. So remember, when we're measuring, if I measure these, I have to start at the end, okay? Don't start over here because there's nothing over here. Start right here and then put your shoe and measure how many shoes. So if I measured the couch, I would have to go 1 shoe and then put a shoe in front, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna count and tell me how many shoes. 5 things in your house. So you can do your couch, your bed, your fridge, maybe a box of cookies, maybe your TV. All of those sorts of things that you can measure for me. And go ahead and write what you measured and how many shoes it was. All right, you think we can do that? So first things first, watch the video on telling time. And then I want you to measure 5 things around your house and send me a picture of the things you measured. Bye, guys.